I'm at Lava Beds National Monument near Tule Lake, California. It's 11:44 a.m. Wednesday, January 12th, 2021. They had a fire here a while ago, so I'm not allowed to just go off everywhere. But the main caves are all open except for Merrill. So I'm at the entrance to Mushpot Cave. Mushpot Cave is an easy tourist cave by the, what's it called? Visitor Center, where you have to check in, make sure you're not spreading white nose syndrome. So anyway, national purchase, blah, 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 COVID-19. So anyway, yes, I'm wearing my N95 mask. So I'm going to go through here twice. This thing has artificial lighting, so I'm going to go through once without my flashlight and just benefit from the artificial lighting. Then I'm going to go through again with a flashlight, make sure I didn't miss anything. As you can see, the gate's open. There are a few caves closed this time of year because of the bats. I forgot which ones. I got it on a map somewhere. Notice how the entrance is a bit tricky, so they have a metal staircase here. Notice all the moss and other green stuff growing here. As you can see, the entrance would be a bit steep without the stairs here. Obviously I could do it, but they wanted this one cave to be like easy, so if it's like your first time caving, you kind of know what you're doing. Notice down there the kind of formation shaped kind of like a big mush pot, so that's how this cave got that name. Now the caves that have a lot of bats are closed to protect the bats, but it is possible we'll see a bat in one of these other caves. So if I see one, I'll have to lower my voice. See if I can level out my camera. I had it pointing down because I was coming down the stairs. Where are you? Pretty greens. Hopefully the lighting, oops, is turned on. Otherwise I'll have to cancel this. Ooh, yeah, see, there is light on. I asked them what time it turns on, and they say it's not a timer, it's motion sensor. So honestly, I don't know if my camera's gonna do this justice. There's water dripping from the ceiling. It's above freezing outside, right? I mean, yeah, above freezing, like probably 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It's actually pretty warm. I don't know when's the last time it snowed. It said a couple weeks ago they had like a foot of snow here. I believe them. Yeah, I don't know if my camera's gonna pick this up very well at all. They have it lit up nice and pretty. If you go slow and let your eyes adjust to the dark, it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, the way they have it lit up the sides, I can't really see the floor very well. So, gotta be careful I don't trip, fall right off. They're kind of messed up. I'm gonna pan up here. Again, yeah, I don't think my camera's gonna get this at all. My camera's not that good in low light at all. All right, never mind. We'll go ahead and finish the video anyway since I started it. Oops, gotta watch my head. The ceiling is very uneven here. Boy, it's nice and quiet in here. But since there isn't much natural airflow, there's only one entrance, they ask us not to wear they ask us to wear an N95 mask so we don't, especially with the Omicron variant, I think the Omicron variant, it'll last like 20 minutes outside your body. So if there's no airflow, I could like breathe in here and then 20 minutes later somebody else comes in here and gets infected. Of course I don't have the virus, but you know, I don't have proof of it either. I'm not going to bother to carry that around. I'm squatting down here so I don't hit my head. But then the ceiling, it opens up, it's like 20 feet tall or more in here. Oops, I touched the wall. Trying to be gentle here. It's kind of an obstacle course. So they got like a little place to sit down and watch presentations. I don't think they do anything like that this time of year. You gotta come here in the summer when they're busy, and then they have guided tours and presentations and all that nonsense. I mean, stuff. Anyway. I've been through here before. It's exactly the same as before. So as far as reading all the signs, I think I already did that with my older camera. So watch my older video if you want to know what the signs all say. Yeah. It's been like 4 or 5 years since I've been here. So, because of COVID-19 shutdowns, they had a fire here, etc. So, different things going on. I used to come here like twice a year at least, but that was a while ago. I don't know if you could tell, but it's sloping downhill. It's a pretty good thing. Luckily, it's above freezing because the floor is very wet. Lots of moisture in here. Yeah, I'm almost to the part I'm gonna have to really squat down here so I'll hit my head, or worse, my backpack. The lights came on ahead of me. The motion sensor picked me up. It'd be kind of funny to come here and try to not set off the motion sensors. See if I could do that. Check this out. Let me pan up. See, there's like cave up there. Officially, they want us to stay on the trails. It would be hard to climb up there anyway. I'm pretty sure it's a dead end. But yeah. This place is not really a jungle gym. Go to the gym if you want to climb around. Interesting, yeah. I really doubt my camera's doing this justice at all. I have an older GoPro. It's only 4K. This is 5K. But I think since it had the less... Whoa. Oh, that's funny. I almost tripped. Yeah, I really should probably be using a flashlight here. Yeah, so this is the only cave here that I know of that they have artificial lighting installed. It's pretty much as wild as you're going to get and still be allowed to get in it. So I'm going to stay on the trail, especially since, you know, I don't even have my flashlight ready. Yep, no sign of bats, though. Okay. Wow. It's funny, I see something dark there, but it's a shadow. Wow, this is seriously like a 25-degree angle or more going up here. It's crazy. Notice there's an exit sign. It's funny, I was reading like in some states if they have like a tourist cave, they actually have to have 2 entrances. So there have been like these big tourist caves they actually dug like with dynamite or something a second entrance just to make sure people don't get trapped in there. Obviously this one, they left it natural. There's only one natural entrance. No artificial entrance. Alrighty then. I'm making some noise breathing, I know that, but I'm breathing through a mask, so what do you expect? Alrighty then. I see natural entrance, or natural light at the end.